Hello friends, in this video we will try to solve a problem on measurement of oxygen concentration. There is a common method of measuring community productivity in a pond water system is measuring oxygen production or consumption in the light and dark bottles that are filled with pond water. So oxygen concentration in each bottle is measured. So the bottles are sealed and then suspended from floats near the surface of pond. So after 24 hours of incubation time period, oxygen concentration is again measured. So based on this information, representative data is given below. Initial oxygen concentration, that is 10 milligram per liter, is given. Oxygen concentration in the light bottle after 24 hours of incubation time period is given, that is 13 mg per liter, and oxygen concentration in the dark bottle after 24 hours of time period that is given is 7 milligram per liter. So based on this information, daily respiration can be determined by which of the following calculations. So we have to find out calculation data among the answer options. Now one thing please note down that during the process of respiration, carbon dioxide concentration is increasing whereas oxygen concentration is decreasing. Now apply this concept among these answer options that at initial period of time oxygen concentration that is given is 10 milligram per liter. Okay, so whatever the oxygen is present, more or less amount at initial period of time, more or less amount of due to the presence of some phytoplankton, zooplankton species, respiration is occurring. Now in the presence of light, oxygen concentration is increasing, that is from 10 to 13, that is 3 milligram per liter oxygen concentration is increasing. That is due to the process of photosynthesis, and during photosynthesis oxygen is producing and carbon dioxide is utilizing, right? So in the light period oxygen concentration is increasing but not decreasing, whereas in dark period oxygen concentration after incubation time period of 24 hours is 7 milligram per liter. That means at initially oxygen concentration is 10 milligram per liter, that is decreasing and up to 7 milligram per liter reach. So that means oxygen concentration in the dark period is decreasing. So there are chances that if we want to count a daily respiration ratio, then probable equation for daily respiration ratio count should be initial oxygen concentration minus oxygen concentration in the dark bottle, that is 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 milligram per liter, that is net respiration daily respiration ratio. So among this, option B, that is option C that matches our concept, that is initial 10 milligram per liter minus dark, that is 7 milligram per liter, is equal to 3 milligram per liter oxygen concentration. So option C is the right answer. So if you think that my videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.